The big brand sale is now on at OK Furniture. Spend 2,999 or more and stand a chance to win one of 20 shopping sprees worth 1 million rands. View our latest catalog and shop these amazing deals by the 6th of April 2025 while stock lasts. T's and C's apply. It is good TV powered by World Sports Betting. It is good time to see what iqela Bafana lahamba ke laya kwilizwe lase Cote d'Ivoire lidlala nelizwe lase Benin laphumelela ke ngamanqaku amabini eqandeni. There is a fear that Bafana could be deducted 3 points. They are leading this group by 5 points for now. If we retain that 5-point lead from the nearest team, we really are almost there. But then if they deduct those 3 points, because Tebogo Mokoena played the game against Lesotho, even though he had 2 yellow cards, was supposed to be suspended, then it means we are only 2 points away. We're still leading, even without those 3 points, but then of course it's not that secure if it's a 2-point lead. But without speculating, we will find out whatever happens with the CAF, whatever supposed to happen with those 3 points, whether it's 3 points given to Lesotho or 3 points taken from us or whatever. I don't know. We will see in the fullness of time. But what we know is that we played today, we won. Nigerians were all over social media looking for those 3 points. They didn't beat Zimbabwe, so they're still 6 points away from us. With all the talk and all the dancing up and down, they're still 7 points away, I think, from us as well. Junior Kanya, our analyst, what did you make of the game, sir?
Nkululeko my brother konjani?
Yes, sir. Uyahleka mangikhuluma ngama-Nigeria.
Yeah, ngithi manje uringangaliza ile.
Those are our brothers, whether we like it or not. We fight.
Skeleton.
Yeah, we fight a lot on social media, but
Yeah.
we are all Africans. Those are our brothers.
Ngibulisele uThethu Justice ngoba sekulate nyana
Yes, sir.
ngibulisa ubobzini.
Yes, sir.
Ngibulisa uLindo Pep, Benedict Sofilakazi. Ebafethu kunjani, keep on supporting iDisky TV fighting no one. Try to fix South African football.
Uthini shaya itafula eNigeria?
As the-
iNigeria beyingekho thina masingawenza umsebenzi wethu ongazi ukuthi ubani.
As the skeleton.
No, they didn't do the yellow cards. It was us who had the yellow cards.
Maye yazi problem of
Ama-yellow cards are wethu. It was
I
us who Mokoena 1 yellow card, 2nd yellow card. Mangabathi ama-rules kumele ahlale phansi kumdlalo olandelayo. Then kumele ahlale phansi. The Nigerians didn't do anything. But bona shem babonile ukuthi they were so happy, but then tonight they didn't win. So even if we get those points deduction, they are still 3 or 4 points away from us.
Yeah, 2 point. Man abame kancane fit. I wish mara iplanda le selenzile.
Yeah.
Especially whoever who's responsible for that. Coach is not responsible. Accept responsibility yakhe.
Yeah.
Whoever, I know ukuthi wonke umuntu ayenza mistake but iplanda elikhulu yabona. Ngoba mabasithathele 3.2 point. Rwanda Luelbinera. Nigeria I think if not mistake
It's
3
further
point.
3 points, yeah.
I say and Samelehla ne Nigeria.
Yeah,
And
we'll
the coach.
Yeah, play. I think we'll probably play for a draw there.
Coach una this thing about mathematically ulo muntu ama mathematically if I play this team ngiyalapha for it roll up I go for of 1-0 similar type of coach fana nabo Gordon Kevin Hunt in terms of calculation kulama games lawa, a typical African coach. Coach Hugo Bros, when he goes away umuntu odlalela it doesn't want to win. He's very cautious. Today in today's game, mangambona sacrifice the side like right, beyangana attacker. Side like right, agana attacker. Udlala ngomkwena, udlala ngomrena, udlala no Mdawu. Mangabheka the way umrena beka close to each other. Decision making, I'm very disappointed ngomrena udlala international football ngikhuluma nge-Champions League. Sometimes I'm not too sure whether nervousness or what. Energetic is doing very well umrena for his Sundowns, but for a national team sometimes mina ngicabanga njengegame namhlanje. On the left hand side I'm very happy. I was very happy Nkululeko ukubona umfukeng no Pasatini very comfortable on the ball. Ulindo mentioned something very important. Angeke alithole umfukeng if this guy is not good in terms of comfortability. Upasatini, decision making, accurate of pass, no way pass. If this guy is not comfortable in Upasatini, he's not gonna play Urlebkhile. So well done to this guy, figure feature like a club. Their position is the owner. I know Mdiba is one of the best for me. I love him, but second opponent.
Yeah, it's a very tough competition.
Yeah,
it's very tough to even decide who's better. But because Upasatini uyadlala and it's doing well internationally, it looks like he might be the first choice, but I think Mudiba is still very good.
Yeah, I'm not too sure coach good what he was trying to achieve. You can't expect your defenders to pass some striker with. The way he started first half, you expect Abu Spisi, this guy at back Abongezan, especially Spisi. I'm not too sure what in terms of his technique. Always he wanted Ugutu Spisi cheaper more behind. He can't pass. He can clear the ball, yes, but he can't pass. All the ball, I'll pass the first half, I'm up all I think he played like it didn't work in the middle, Obas, in front of them. I think it's Obas and this guy, what's his name?
But to say Obas, and who else was there actually?
Yeah.
Obas Nombata.
Yeah.
It was two.
Both of them, they are not comfortable on the ball. I know to energetic Nombata, very energetic, Pitizela, but namhlanje so especially second half ngimbonile aphakama isandla, but mangithudlalile energy, that's all. It disturbed opponent team in Obas. They're not showing up in South Africa my petty ball, so we expect ukuthi sidlale kanjani in the middle field. And Pesita ukuzalithola iball is because of these two. Always when they open up nakule game elisuthu yenzile, they open up wide, but you understand, I think i-Sundowns imncedile coach ngoba bekangadlali this way. I think this thing uyibonile kuRulani, uyibonile, yes kuRulani, let me ngibe specific, uyibone kuRulani ukuthi ama midfield wakho ayi-2 kadlala emiddle, mawudlala nga-2 anchors, they open wide this way, become ama right and left wing back, and then mhlamba ama wing back and right bangene phakathi, or baye ngale afini ama wing angene phakathi right and left. But these guys iBenin, I'm very gibo, I'm not too sure what they were playing home or
They were in Ivory Coast, in the neighboring country.
yeah.
If you don't have a good excuse me,
Facilities.
stadiums, facilities, then you're gonna have to play even at Zimbabwe, Lalagiti. Even Lesotho plays here, Eswatini.
Yeah.
They play here in South Africa. They don't have facilities.
Benin, I can see they try, but Mbonile bazama build up at the back. They playing in the middle too slow. The way Bazalanga corner very slow. They playing negative football. They like to go wide, especially on the left hand side. I think by Chamberlain when they in a speed ngapaga left, but the guy can't go be pious. Umda was very clever. Was recovering a speed, speed in Shanghai Lengwenya. Maya White, he changed this guy go wide, go on the side. Corner flag, he turn back, and then Funukla when you left wing back, he crossed the ball, he put a figure box in. It looked predictable, and on the side, like right, nothing that was happening from Rwanda. Angas Guti Rwanda, I know good the end points, but 8, 9, if not mistaken. I think yes, they've got 8 points. 8, 7 or 7, yeah, 7.
You're confusing yourself. Just give me a second.
Yes.
Give me a
I
second.
think they've got 8 in good level. 8.
Coach Andre Matute, Andre Arons, won the African Cup of Nations in 96.
I think they've got 8 points.
Don't worry, I'll get it now.
Yeah,
in terms of points, I'm just excited to see Coach Andre Arons. He was the AFCON winner in 96. He went to the World Cup. Yeah, they've got 8 points, and
Yes,
Benin
8.
also have 8 points. So Benin actually had the reason to push Bafana Bafana, but they were not there.
That's-
Because if they won this game, they were going to get close to Bafana Bafana, but they were not good enough.
I think that's my point.
Yeah.
Ukuthi, I'm wondering where did they get those points?
Yeah.
Ngifuna ukwazi.
Well, in this group, you also have Lesotho, so everyone will beat Lesotho.
Oh, yes, true.
Yeah, but and maybe if you're lucky, you can beat. They almost beat Zimbabwe. They were 2-0 up, and then Zimbabwe came back. It was 2-2 as well. But let's go back to Bafana Bafana. Do you believe that they will go to the World Cup?
But I'm concerned a little point. Because in Nigeria, I know they are poor, but they've got talented players in the division. And the mindset they are playing against us, it can be do or die. Once they win that game,
Let's assume that we have the 3 points
Okay.
for now, because we don't know anything for now.
Yes, it's Chavi Group.
Because that means we're now leading by 5 points.
Yeah, I don't see. Angiboni khona into ezostoppa, yabona. Yabona if the 3 point abayithatha angiboni khona into ezostoppa, but the way we play now determine your future. I know ukuthi coach is getting results. Take nothing away from Hugo Bros. The guy Magafika South Africa was not like he was not playing this way. Philosophy was not this way. He has learned. Thanks to Orlando Pirates, they've helped him bring Abu Spis, taking out the best out of Abu Spis. Also, Lomfana Mfuking,
Maswanganyi.
Talent Mbate, Maswanganyi. Thanks to Sundowns as well. Both Pirates and Sundowns, I think they've helped the coach achieve equal like both teams as angeke, and you can't falter the coach. Even Jermaine Maizo winner, he World Cup in 2014. Ipayen, I think if not mistaken. And so Spain must win in 2010. It was Barcelona, Real Madrid.
Yeah.
So those two teams, I think they've helped the coach. The understanding, let alone winning, understanding of players. Mangiti Pirates and Chiefs, they've helped a coach understanding how they play like a team.
Yeah, they're
Sometimes-
used to playing with
Yes,
each other.
they
For the
use
past 3 or 4 years, they
True.
play together.
And it's no longer that Bafana that is scattered. Everybody is and they understand each other. At the back, they build up. Magu Katsuki Pambili. I'm surprised with Kuna Mama came Jenga came and Sanji. He never played in the midfield. Bega Penikis or in fit. Watching Penny in Minanam Sanji. Not a quick team. Abana agency in Kulma up front. Abasi trade these guys. So why panicking the coach? So how many shots on target in Kulma Penny in a home? I know Mangit home, they are not specific playing at home, but Begu go home came out.
Yeah.
Yes, Begu I know with Begu neutral venue, but they were playing home. So I'm very surprised, Coach Guti. After watching Penny in the first 20 minutes, even a second half, I think Kulmenje first half Mbonile, both teams they look ordinary. Second half, coach Begafuni throw. Well done to equal number 1. I think it was a long ball Nalo. Pasatin good thinking. I think it's a square pass there.
Yeah.
The guy is very good technically. It's a pinpoint and well done to Froster. But the well corner corner Belim Belga Chu. Almost not being a goalie Antolia. But well done to him good at taking a post and good pass, square pass from Pasatin. But the long ball also good legonide. It's a long ball, Pasatin will be Central will be it's a goal. And second, well done good to bring Chedin Adams. Mina being good Maga Kipu relays of a defender. Mina bengazi ukuthi uzokill game and wafaka uJaden Adams a set piece again. Le game they say winning ugly. I need to be honest, we never played well, but we won it ugly. But some guy well done to the coach. But mina ngikhuluma ngefuture. Ukuphendula le point lakho ukuthi ime kuphi South Africa. I see them going to World Cup. The question with must figure out wenzani. We play against teams that are technically good. Kune continuity. From under 20, under 23, international football junior, betata serious. You will find senior players, senior team abu national player 9 or 8 or 7. We are from under 20 or under 17. Technically understanding something else. Fear ego. So us going there, I know good to coach, well done. Indaba kunzima umuntu makawina to point the team. But when you check, okay, because South African football has dropped its standard, we need to be honest. We're playing a physical. Yes, previous with team njengabo Nigeria, JJ Okocha, Sunday Olise, Finidi George, Sunday Tidiane Babangita, special players. Boaz kuti Egypt kunabo Abu Trika, Mohamed El Kas. We understand Asama players that talented players, but now South African football, we're doing the same.
African football.
I mean to say African football. We go.
The standard is dropping.
Yes, for me. There's no special players in the countries, individual for me. We're playing a physique, we rely guma, set piece, we score now. And yes, they are tall, it's physique bully, they're not playing in the middle field. So coach, yes, we won la because Pesala it's a World Cup qualifiers. Well done to the coach. Good up go through. Good win kanjani doesn't matter. Kuna ma game odlala grand ebe ngabona manje but game elisuit ni game namhlanje for me questionable. We never azange sibe in charge of this game. We never asi onanga le game man kuleko there was no game asi maintainanga the way scoring akona njengale game. Mangati let's go and play again and score this way. We can't score this way.
All right, there you go. Thank you very much, Junior. We'll come back. Mamelodi Sundowns are playing against Cocoon on Friday. We'll be back for the Nedbank Cup. They need to play that game, and then the Tuesday, I think Tuesday and Wednesday, we're going into the CAF Champions League for both of our teams, Orlando Pirates and Mamelodi Sundowns. Looking forward to that. Although Junior has actually just said a very good point that African football is really dead. So you look forward to that. But if these teams in Africa sees that you are stronger than them, they're just going to be defending, get you on a counter or a cross or a corner, and that's it. Basically, the matches have the same pattern. There's nothing special with the players. Itiski TV, Itiski Times, World Sports Betting. For breaking news, go to itiskitimes.co.za.
Shapunjan bafowethu igama lami uLindo Pep, the best analyst in the country. Please don't forget to subscribe to Itiski TV. Tanko.
This is Bongane Benedict Vilakazi, they call me so. Niyazi bafowethu, ama coach for life, they are back in winning ways. Please, siyacela ukuthi subscribe Itiski TV.